welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Cumbria and Black Combe. John Outdoors joining me today, and we're going up there. Great. Oh, let's see, join me today in Cumbria. I've got what the place called? Salcroft. We got off at the train there, and we're going up Black Combe. Well, we're going to attempt to get up Black Combe. It's a bit warm today, makes a change. John's been up here before, he came up in January, but he's joined me today as well because he's wanted to do a camp since January up here. So yeah, what I'll do, I'll show you Black Combe, as I did a little video earlier on, and I'll meet you halfway up and I'll bring you back then, guys. I'll catch you in a bit. Right guys, just having a rest. We've made it a little bit up. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit of an hard one. So I'm just having some Haribo. John's having like a cereal bar thing. And yeah, like a cereal bar thing, yeah. Then we're getting crack on. So go up there. Then hopefully it flattens out. We're on the first bit, which is about 200 metres, and they say that this is the worst bit to get up first. So yeah, I'll bring you back soon. Peace. Just resting again. Jesus, that's one hill. There's John standing in the sun. Views are opening up now. The bloke's just told us it gets easier. It's just up this little brow here. So hopefully we get up there. If not, I'm going back to the pub. I haven't been in the pub because it's not open. So yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. Bit of a change of plan. It's going to become a Black Combe-ish wild camp because we ain't walking up that today. As packs are too heavy, for one, because we've got winter gear with us because we don't know what the temperature's going to be like tonight. So what we're going to do, we're going to go down to that ridge just down there. It's called Cenis, so we're going to, I nearly said it then. It's called Cenis, so we're going to camp there. We'll pitch up a bit later on, chill out, have some beers. Yeah, so yeah, I'll bring it back shortly. Catch you in a bit, guys. So guys, we found a location. Beach view and everything, you know, for free. I'll send the drone up in a minute. We're going to chill out and have a beer just because I can. Because it's past 12 o'clock now, so I'm allowed to drink. John boy here. Look at that view. September I've waited since for this. Yeah, we couldn't get up Black Combe, so we decided to come here instead. It seems a better pitch as well. Nice flat area. So yeah, we'll crack a beer open. I'll catch you in a bit. See you in a bit. Right guys, welcome back. I just thought I'd bring you back a minute. So, sorry, some facts about Black Combe. Well, not up Black Combe, but you know, it's Black Combe-ish wild camp. So Black Combe is up there. That's the summit of Black Combe. It stands at around 600 metres or so, I think. It's in Cumbria, and it's on the southwestern corner of the Lake District. So basically, it's like right at the end of the Lake District. Like I said, I met John up here today as well. Been on the train since about 7 o'clock this morning. It's a long ride. I can't wait to have my car so I can actually drive myself. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. So this is my home for tonight. It's a bit hazy today, so normally on a clear day they say you can see the Isle of Man in the distance over the Irish Sea. But we've still got good views even though it's hazy up here today. Yeah, like I say, we tried, we got halfway up, we got to just that ridge there, we got up to there and we looked at the rest of it and I was like, no, I don't think I can make it up there because I'm carrying about 17 kilograms. So I've done well to get up halfway, and they say that the first 200 metres, first 200, 250 metres the worst bit about it. So I've done well to get to that bit, but I don't think I would have got up to the rest, to be honest with you. So yeah, so we decided to stay here. Somebody's left a memorial, somebody's ashes in a tin in there, so, you know, I don't know, freaky, so we haven't touched on. So yeah, I'll leave you here for a bit. I'm going to have another beer, chill out for a bit, and I'll bring you back a bit later. Peace. Welcome back guys. So, got the tents up. There's my beauty there. It's the Berghaus Brecon 2. It's the first time I'm using it up here as well. But I'm not going to lie, it is a solid tent. John's in the Berghaus Banshee 200. So yeah, we've finally got set up just what the doctor ordered. There's John's tent there. There's mine. And the sun's setting over there, over the Irish Sea. Yeah, so we've got a few more things set up now, like sleeping bags and whatnot. We're just going to chill out a bit. I haven't done much recording and filming, but it's my first time back out and I'm enjoying myself. So yeah, stay tuned, stay on the video, I'll do ye. I'll catch you in a bit guys, peace. Well, we've come in the tents for a little bit because it's getting a bit chilly outside now. We haven't had tea yet. I'm having for my tea 2 seconds, I'll show you. I know it's an Adventure Foods. Adventure Foods. Adventure Foods chicken curry. That's what I'm having for my tea tonight. What I'm gonna do, I'll leave the video here for now. I know I haven't done much recording today. I think I've just been enjoying being out, to be honest with you. So yeah, I'm not going to bore you with the cooking process of this. So what I'll do, I'll leave you with some pictures what I've taken today, and I'll catch you in the morning guys. So yeah, peace out. I hope you're liking the video so far. If not, don't worry. I know I'm not everybody's cup of tea, but I appreciate everybody's views, so that's all that matters. So yeah, I'll see you in the morning, guys, when I've woken up a new man, and I'll catch you in a bit. Peace. Look at that. Chasing sunrises. Good night's sleep last night. Pillow kept on going down, but you know, it is what it is. It was warm, wasn't too cold. Place looks even better in the morning. Just spinning around. That's sundown. Outstanding. Just having a brew. It's got up. It's just past 6 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, have a brew. Might as well have some breakfast. Don't know, crack on with the day, and I'll bring you back soon. Peace out, guys. Good morning. Peace. Up, guys, welcome back. Right, I'm all packed up now. As you can see, all this there. There's my walking poles. Just remember, if you ever go wild camping, new or old, take one of these for your rubbish. Leave no trace. Leave the site how it was. There's no need to leave rubbish and set fires on beautiful places like this. It's for free, why ruin it? So just remember, leave no trace. We're going to walk down now, and I'll see you down the bottom. So yeah, peace out. Catch you in a bit. Hi guys, welcome back. So, as you can see, nice little parish here at the bottom of Black Combe. We finally come down. So I'm going to end the video here. Just want to do a quick shout out to Boris Johnson for letting us come out and do stuff like this again. I want to thank John Outdoors for joining me on this trip as well. So yeah, it's been a good one. Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. Hit the like button if you like the video. If not, hit the thumb down button. Subscribe if you want to. Yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, guys. In a couple of weeks or so. Alright, peace out, guys.